Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Claude Code on Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now I'm going to be showing you the easiest method right here. So first I'll go ahead and open up your favorite browser. So we can go ahead and download the CC installer or the Claude Code installer. So in your search box, just type down github.com/interworks/cc installer/releases. Okay, hit on enter, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, just click on the exe. A download page will pop up, save it wherever you want, just like so, and wait for the download process to finish. Okay, and then once that's done, close the browser, double click on the installer, make sure that it is run as administrator, hit on yes right here. Now it says here, please select installation options. So you go ahead and choose from install Claude Code CLI, VS Code with Claude Code extension, or install both. Okay, it's up to you. If I were you, I'm just going to install both CLI plus a VS Code. So I'm going to press the 3 and hit on enter and just wait for it. As you can see here, it says starting Claude Code installation process. Now it says Git is not installed. Git for Windows is required to install Claude Code CLI. To install Git for Windows, press Y, hit on enter. It says here downloading. Just wait for it. Now it's done installing the Git for Windows. Okay, it says here Git for Windows installed successfully. Git bash path set to this path, and then local bin directory added to path. Now it is installing Claude Code CLI, downloading, and running the Claude Code installer, or Claude. Okay, may take a few minutes, just wait for it. It says here Claude Code successfully installed. The version is automatically written in here, and the location as well. So it's your username .local/bin/claude.exe. Next, run Claude help to get started. And if you want to download or install Visual Studio Code as well, you can just go ahead and press Y. Okay, and then just say yes or N for no. Now, while it runs, we could go ahead and open up PowerShell or terminal admin. So we could run this command to test it out. Say Claude space -- or hyphen help. Hit on enter. As you can see here, it returns the commands for Claude. Okay. And that's basically it. And as you can see here in the background, Claude has been installed successfully. That's what we wanted. Okay. Please restart your terminal or VS Code for changes that take effect. To use Claude Code CLI, open a new PowerShell or CMD window and run Claude. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's just go ahead and type down Claude right here. Hit on enter. As you can see, here we now have the Claude Code on our Windows 11. That's basically it. So from the code installer, just press enter or type down exit, hit on enter, and here we have Claude. All right. Now, if you do get an error where it says native installation exists, but local bin is not in your path, well, it's pretty easy to fix. Just go ahead and just type down run right here on your search bar. Click on it and type down sys dm.cpl. Okay, hit on OK. Wait for it to open, and once you're in here, just go ahead over to advanced, and then under environment variables, click on it. As you can see here, my Claude Code is already in here. So under user variables, add a new, click on browse. And as I said earlier, we're going to find that under our user profile, users, user profile, .local, bin. Here we have Claude. Click on it, hit on open. Now just give it a name. If you want to, just type down Claude, hit on OK. Now, OK right here. Okay. Now just restart your computer, and after that, you should be good to go. And that is it. That is how you install Claude Code on Windows 11. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.